Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the serial number. We've got a secret code and the settings. So let me start for example with the settings. Let's enter them and then tap on my phone. Here we have to tap on the model. As you can see, it is highlighted here, and as you can see, the serial number appears immediately. Right now I can show you much quicker way to check the serial number by using a secret code. So we have to enter the dialer, and the secret code for it is *#06#. And as you can see we are provided not only with the IMEI numbers here, but also this number is a serial number of this device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.